Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. We've got the Euro USD, the Dixie, and the GBP USD pairs to go over again this week. But firstly, as we always do, we'll jump over here to the economic calendar, have a bit of a look and see what we've got planned coming forward this week. So today's looking pretty good. We do at the start of the New York session there have the non-farm employment change numbers coming out, so that could cause a little bit of volatility there. And then obviously we do have our usual NFP on Friday and all of the usual market changes there. So just be careful trading the New York session on Friday. Thursday looks pretty clear though. We do have unemployment claims coming out, so just be careful around that New York Open. So we'll jump over to the Dixie to start with. We can see here the Dixie is just continuing to pull up. We can see here from one of our previous videos that we've drawn a big fib over this range, and that we've noted that on the 4-hourly chart we do have this big imbalance sitting here. So we can see we've had this push up into the 50% level there. We've kind of consolidated below it, but again, just essentially with a trend that's sort of working this strong at the moment, we would anticipate that it's probably just going to push up through there, or maybe a little knockback, fill in a couple of these 4-hour imbalances through here. So we do have one here, and we do also have one here. So that would be something to consider, that we may possibly see that pullback from this 50%, obviously keeping holding structure and then going long from that position there. But if we do break this level again and set a higher high, it would be just a matter of probably a break and retest looking trade to go long from that area. Jumping down on the 15-minute here, we can see here that here it is. We've had this push consolidation here. We've pulled up big expansion wick there. That's obviously taken liquidity highs here and then consolidating below. So again, it's not looking tremendously strong here working through. We are pushing back up against this level though. So basically, if we see this high get taken, would anticipate possibly that that push, break and retest to go long. But if we do look at breaking down, then we can look for taking shorts to come down and fill these imbalance areas that were left on the 4-hour. Euro USD. So we'll jump out on the 4-hour here. We can basically see we are kind of in like a no man's land here on Euro. We've pushed swept liquidity low here, and we would anticipate to be coming down into these lows in this area down here. So basically looking for it to continue on down from where it currently sits. Being that we have just recently taken out this low, so we can see here, that this low was formed just above that peak low there. So it came down, stopped just above, a little bit of a retrace, and then ultimately came back, taking both liquidity highs there. So as we know, when we do take high volumes of liquidity, especially on something like the 4-hour or the daily chart, we would anticipate possibly a little bit of a pullback. So we can jump down here on the 4-hour again, and we'll have a bit of a look. We do have those imbalance areas that we identified on the Dixie. So there's an imbalance area there. And we do also have one there. So again, basically looking for a pull up, fill those imbalance areas, and then look to sell out of that position from there. Jumping down to the 15-minute, we'll have a bit of a look here. Still relatively bearish on the 15-minute. We can see here, there's that big extended wick. We've come down, pushed down into it again, pull back up, but still failing to break this high. So really what we'd like to see to be taking a long from this position would be a break of at least yesterday's Asian high there, before obviously coming back and taking that, looking for that long position, or we just look to wait for us to give us an indication or a pullback, and looking to continue that trade lower. sticking with the 15-minute trend there at the moment. GBP USD. Now GU, same sort of thing. We have had these areas drop out and start taking lower lows. Exactly the same thing. Jump out on the 4-hour. We can see here we do have those two key imbalance areas there, and then that big wick sitting up on top. So we would be looking possibly for a pullback up into that area before looking to go low, filling those imbalance areas and coming back up to this big exposed wick at the top here, possibly even taking liquidity highs above that. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for jumping on again today. Appreciate the support as always, and I'll see you again for tomorrow's daily market outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.